Hi students, problem number 12. The damping force on an oscillator is directly proportional to the velocity. The units of the constant of proportionality are to be determined. This is the easiest possible numerical MCQ, okay? So here it is given that the damping force is directly proportional to the velocity v. Or I can rewrite this as what F is equal to a constant K into V, or the constant K is now equal to F divided by the velocity V. So force, the unit of force is what? Kilogram into meter per second square. Force is mass into acceleration, the dimensions, okay? So the unit is kilogram meter per second square divided by velocity is what? Meters per second. So this meter and meter can be cancelled. So this is equal to kilogram into s power minus 1 into s power minus 1 divided by s power minus 1. So this also can be cancelled. Or K, the unit of K must be equal to what? Kilogram per second. So, which is the answer? Let us see now. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. It's very easy. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.